Hello there YouTube, George here, and just said I'd show you this little gadget I made here. You know, I got the Fifine cordless camera there recently, and I'm finding this thing a little bit cumbersome. So as usual, from some scrap that was lying around the place, and this little shoe adapter that came with the camera, came with this other microphone, one of these Chinese specials, never used it. And so I made a little bracket, and you can see there it grabs hold of it. I have to paint it. I'm out of black paint, so that's why it's not sprayed yet, but it holds it there, and just the elastic band to make it quick release. And I bent the bracket at the same angle to match the bottom corner of this thing, and just a little bolt in it there to hook on the elastic band. A bit blue Peter, but it works, and it'll hold it there nice and steady. And I'll just turn on the camera there. Yeah, whatever. So I tell you, I'm quite pleased with this camera now. I've made quite a few videos with it now, and we're quite pleased with it. So quite pleased with this microphone. I think I finally have the audio dialed in now. So I have the little antenna and the whole lot there. So if you're working a bit of distance away from the camera, I don't know, I must test it out one of the days and see how far away it does actually work. But just a bit of rubbish cobbled together in my own inimitable fashion, and does the job. I love making stuff like this. I'd get far more enjoyment now out of making that than going and buying something, but that's just me. Anyway, we'll get you in the next one. More to come.